देखिए, ये लोगों की जीत है। जो उनकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी कि नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस और कांग्रेस की अलायंस, यहाँ जो जुल्म सितम बीजेपी की तरफ से लागू किया गया था, जो जैकफ्रूट पॉलिसी यहाँ पे लागू की गई थी, जो यहाँ के लोगों को दबाया गया था और जिसको वो ग्लोरीफाई करते थे, यहाँ अमन अमान है। आज उनको, उन ताकतों को जिन्होंने यहाँ पे दबाव और ध्वंस का माहौल बनाया था, यहाँ पे एक हेट पॉलिटिक्स का इनेकाद किया हुआ था, उन सब ताकतों को आज का ये रिजल्ट जो है वो उसका जवाब है।
तारिक साहब, हरियाणा में कहीं ना कहीं अब
अभी वहाँ पे फाइनल रिजल्ट्स आ जाने दीजिए, फिर उसके बारे में बात।
गवर्नमेंट बनने के बाद सर क्या रहेगा आपका ओथ और क्या रहेगा पहला इनिशिएटिव?
हमने बताया कि दिस वुड बी ए स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, a beginning of a new struggle, and that struggle is to get our rights back, especially the statehood, along with the right on land and along with the right on jobs. Apart from that, we have a very big challenge, that is unemployment, and we have to see that our youth who have been pushed to wrong actions are retrieved back, और उसके वास्ते खासतौर से एम्प्लॉयमेंट एवेन्यूज को उसके वास्ते करना है, और साथ साथ में जो हमारे मैनिफेस्टो में यूथ और वेमेन को, जो हमने यंग वेमेन के वास्ते जो रखा हुआ है प्रोविजन, उसको आगे चलाना है। See, I will not qualify any person or any political party, but I have been maintaining it throughout that anyone who is on the same page, who is having the same ideology to keep away BJP out of the power corridors would be welcome.
you will accommodate them in the government?
We that can't be said as now. But we would like to have an inclusive government. We would like to have a stable government, because we have big challenges ahead, and we would like to have a stable government as well.
Thank you. Running the now is Tariq Ahmed Kara. Tariq साहब, आपको लगता है कि this vote is against the BJP that you have got in Kashmir?
Of course, it is against BJP.
So what will you tell the voters who have voted for you? Sir, what are the promises that you think that you will
keeping these elections for the
See, this is as per the expectations. I have been maintaining it since day first that it is an alliance which was desired by the people of Jammu and Kashmir, and I would like to give the credit to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. They didn't want that BJP should be successful in their nefarious designs of fragmenting the vote, and we have achieved that goal. Number one. Number two, we would like to have a stable government. We would like to have a government which is inclusive, because we have bigger challenges ahead rather than just for the sake of governance. So, as I have been saying, that anyone, any individual, any political party who is desirous of fighting out this menace of BJP, who is desirous of keeping the BJP out of the power corridors, is most welcome. And if need arises, they come forward, they would be welcomed.
Sir, Congress was supposed to do really good in Haryana, but at the moment they seem to be trailing. So what do you have to say about that?
I think we should wait till the final results come out.
Sir, is there any expected CM phase that Congress is thinking?
Nothing of the at the moment. This is for the central leadership to decide. Whatever the central leadership decides, we will follow that.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।